It is an established fact that OpenAI's ChatGPT-3 can marvelously write essays, poems, music, and other forms of simple and complicated content. But beyond this usefulness and merits lies several limitations and weaknesses that have yet to be prominently broadcasted by OpenAI. From producing fake facts to needing more artistic expression to providing shallow insights, there are several areas for ChatGPT to improve. This video provides more details on the facts OpenAI doesn't want you to know about ChatGPT-3. Let's delve into it. Lack of artistic expression. One of the greatest strengths of the ChatGPT-3 AI is its ability to produce a variety of text, including music, poetry, and even film scripts. But within this strength lies a significant weakness. As is well known, the aforementioned areas fall within the creative industry and demand artistic expression to make them appealing to the public. But while ChatGPT can produce musical lyrics, poetry, and scripts more often than not, the produced texts lack this artistic expression. This is because the platform is only a machine following statistical patterns learned from text data. It therefore cannot create genuinely original or imaginative works of art, and it is limited to the scope of its training data and the algorithms programmed into it. Musical artist Nick Cave, in an article posted to his Red Hand files, makes quite a scathing attack regarding this claim. He indicates, "What makes a great song great is not its close resemblance to a recognizable work. Writing a good song is not mimicry, replication, or pastiche. It is the opposite. It is an act of self-murder that destroys all one has strived to produce in the past." So on the surface, artists might easily produce their works with ChatGPT-3. But over time, we may lose the artistic expression that has characterized most of the creative works that we have enjoyed over the years.
Really?
Really?
But of course, OpenAI will never inform you of this, which is why it is essential to subscribe to a channel that offers valuable insights like this. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications for future updates. Fails the real-world linguistic test. Another significant limitation of ChatGPT-3 is that some of this information it provides fails the real-world test and may sound or appear fictitious. While it is trained on a vast amount of text data with knowledge of many language patterns, phrases, and concepts, it's not perfect and may not always align with the real world. It can sometimes generate inaccurate or culturally insensitive responses and cannot understand the context or have real-world experiences. On the inaccuracy issue, there is a dedicated section of this video to explain how the AI produces fake facts and information that end up misleading people. Canadian psychologist and media commentator Jordan Peterson shared some significant insights into this limitation.
It's just a humanities professor at the moment. It doesn't test its linguistic knowledge against the real world. That's what a scientist does, right? You come up with a theory that's linguistically predicated, and then you throw it against the world and see if it sticks. And then the world tells you whether or not your linguistic construction is valid.
In addition to producing fake facts, the AI also has the tendency of being too formal in its essays. More on that shortly. Fake facts. Another significant criticism that has been leveled against the platform is its tendency to make up facts. Due to its limited knowledge, ChatGPT occasionally provides false information or manufactures information to support its argument. ChatGPT-3 is a language model created by OpenAI that uses machine learning algorithms to generate text based on patterns it has learned from large amounts of text data. It has been trained on various sources, including websites, books, and social media, giving it a broad understanding of language and the ability to respond to various questions. However, it is essential to note that the model's knowledge is limited to the text data it has been trained on. It has not lived to its own experiences, nor understands the context of a given situation. This can lead to limitations in its ability to respond accurately or appropriately. For example, the AI will produce outstanding essays when asked to research an academic topic with in-text citations. However, the references provided might be fake or non-existent, which can obviously mislead researchers. Too formal. Again, the AI can be highly formal and doesn't loosen up to offer variety in its answers. Most notably, it rarely uses abbreviation or jargon, and instead provides answers in more formal language. Users may also have noted that the AI is noted for providing a concluding part to every essay, and while it is a commendable act, there are flaws to it. Most of the content closes with the phrase "in conclusion," which is not the ideal way to close an essay consistently. So, as pointed out in this video, There are a number of limitations that OpenAI is reluctant to focus on when it comes to spreading the ChatGPT gospel, but it is essential to note that the popular AI platform can produce fake facts and produce texts that are too formal or of no artistic expression. The aforementioned facts, however, do not render the platform useless, as it is capable of beating some of top inventions, such as the Tesla humanoid robot. More details on this subject have been provided in our next video, so make sure to watch it. Thanks for watching, and see you another time.